Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Approximately 30 minutes question approximately 30 minutes after induction of general anesthesia in a healthy person, you notice that the core body temperature has dropped by full degree Celsius. By 1 full degree Celsius. There is decrease in 1 full degree Celsius. This is due to why? Okay. On an average, the core body temperature will decrease by 1 to 1.5 degrees Celsius. Decrease in core body temperature is seen by 1 to 1.5 degrees Celsius after induction of general anesthesia. This initial drop in core body temperature is mainly due to the redistribution that is occurring from the vasodilating properties of many anesthetics. Temperature may continue to drop due to heat loss or conduction, convection, or evaporation, but this main first 1 to 1.5 degrees droppage is due to redistribution.
thank you and thank you for watching.